Okay, so today, me and Helga have an event. Oh, asa na siya? Nakapanty. Buti na lang. She's here na. But we are both not feeling 100% today. Ayan, dahil dyan, don't forget to like and subscribe to my videos. And today, yun nga, we have an event and I'm trying to look for something to wear. And I really do not have anything to wear, but I have so much things to wear. Does it make sense? I have one rack here of clothes. I have 2 more cabinets full of clothes. This one is full of medyo formal. And how to wear Spanx. Ayan, I have 2 more cabinets here. Ayan na po, si Helga trying to wear my Spanx. Dahil hindi pa siya kasya sa akin. Oh, winner is Spanx. Hatakin mo pa pataas. Pasensya na po kayo, makalat po talaga ang aking bahay. I need more cabinets, more storage, more everything.
Oh, huh? The Spanx life. The mom life. Oh, huh?
So, I was supposed to go to Robinson's Magnolia, but then tinamad ako. Bilang, ganun talaga life. So, I have jumpsuits here. And I will try to look for something to wear. Ano, Mars?
Mars yung Spanx mo, pati yung boobs.
Wala kasi siyang boobs. Umaabot hanggang boobs.
Static.
Ayan. Naglalagas daw po ang kanyang hair. Mom life.
Totoong lakas.
Dami.
Hindi na lang, pareho kaming mommy at pareho kaming mga event. Kung hindi, paano na ang life? No friends. And hey, I'm back. Mukha na akong tao. Makeup by yours truly. And Helga is downstairs dahil nagutom na siya. We're gonna go in a bit and we're gonna see you at the event. Okay, so our driver today is
Pagod na, hindi ba na?
hindi siya makaupo sa kanyang pencil skirt.
Yes. Ang hirap bumpa ka.
Gusto mo yan, Mars?
For the gram.
Ladies and gentlemen, hindi po ito buhok ng aso. It's blonde, it is white, and it is from the head of
Oh my
Helga
gosh.
Craft.
Signs of aging.
May tutsang pumputi na lumabas.
Nakalabas siya talaga. Mommy problems.
Oh my gosh.
Chismis.
Okay lang yan, maganda pa rin.
Yan talaga. Matanda naman ang iya.
Ayan, for those who do not know, mas matanda po sa akin si Helga. 29 lang naman ako, siya 30. So,
Isang taon lang.
yeah, very, very light. Taray ng pagka-straight ng hair ko today. Nakarir ko yung plancha. Ah, may box po sa likod.
Oo. Hindi pa namin nababa ang ano.
Ang wheelchair.
Ni 30.
So, bale, second event namin to this year. Nag-Grand Baby Fair kami together also. And now we're doing the Tough Mama event together also. And it's home appliances na hindi ako marunong gumamit. But, dahil Tough Mama, ibig sabihin, magiging tough ako sa kitchen. Huh? Nailaban! Matututo ako sa kitchen. Hindi ako marunong. Ito si Inday, marunong. Hoy, meron siyang blender. Ano yung mixer?
Hand mixer.
Yeah. So, maybe I'll learn something today that will be useful for my future.
Tough mama. Kahit hindi marunong yung gumagamit.
Laban pa rin siya.
Hindi mo basta-basta masisira. Gano'n.
Tough products. Hindi ko mapapasabog. Yun. Yes. May sakit pa siya niyan, ha? Pang-tamad pa yan. Paano na kami mga tamad pa? In fairness sa hair ko today, I'm amazed. The plancha works.
Reband. Bagong reband si ate.
Okay, so akala ko munti ka na mabangga yung kotse ko talaga.
Sabi niya malayo pa.
Mabilis naman ang pag-akyat.
Taranta siya bigla.
You wanna see?
Ito po. Munti ka na talaga. May lalaban niya ang tali-tali shoes.
Okay, so here are the products. Tough Mama. Okay, so we are now here. May secret. May secret.
Busy sila.
Okay, so we're going to try out. Actually, they are gonna try it, and we're gonna see what kind of products Tough Mama has. There's a live demo. The chef. At tunay pong busy ang aking best friend. Because I took her picture and it was nice.
For the gram.
patingin.
For the gram. Oh.
Lumalaban ang momshi natin. Lumalaban din yung makeup ko today. We're shy. Wala kaming friends. So, we are gonna try their products. If you guys want to see a YouTube video of us trying to cook, just let us know.
Feeling nga may para.
Oh, may parapon.
Christmas party.
Sana manalo tayo.
Hindi tayo nananalo sa mga Christmas party.
Hindi kami
Baka
swerte. Nakadito. Sa pag-ibig din hindi ako swerte.
Parang hindi naman yan ang balita ko.
Big word.
This afternoon. You know what? You guys don't need to be a lot formal. This event is practically, light, easy, casual. And I want to exude that vibe towards everybody all throughout this event.
Soup and some pork chops that we're going to cook here in the multi-cooker.
Hindi
So I'm just,
nakikinig.
excited to share this very basic recipe. I'm sure a lot of you know.
We're going to be preparing soup, the braised beef. Is it braised
Yeah.
beef? And the stew.
And the pork chops.
And the pork chops here.
Laban
This
pa rin.
one, yung mga nasa
Yes,
likod.
for those who are in the
Para-
back, please come and join us so you can easily see what's
Makita niyo.
happening. Ayan. Everybody loves the smell of steamed onions and garlic. Okay.
Then,
How
Bango, nagugutom na.
How
imagine.
rice.
Mhm.
It's one ulam in itself.
And garlic.
Gutom na si Buntis.
So that's your onion and your garlic. So you saute them. And what ingredients do we have, Chef? Aside from
We have
onion and
tomato
garlic?
paste.
Tomato
We have-
paste.
Gutom na si
Same pa rin.
Buntis.
Even
Ganda pa rin.
take a look at the.
And hindi man ako nag-add ng oil, carrot.
We didn't add any oil, but this is still how it looks. The second batch.
Oh, yummy.
Pristinely.
Ano nangyari sa'yo? Ano nangyari sa'yo, Helga?
Hindi ako makakain.
Ha?
Hindi ako makakain.
Dahil?
Sinakaspangs ako. Naiipit.
Hindi na siya makain ng mga friends. Hindi na siya makaupo o makakain. Spanx is like... Ha?
Bad idea.
Bad idea? Good idea yan, Spanx ma.
Di ba ka?
Hi, Bea! Ayan si Sayo. Preggy. Ganda-ganda. Picture! Ikaw nagluto niyan.
Ako nagluto nito. With apple,
Oh.
juice,
Oh.
ketchup,
Ah.
and brown sugar.
Very good! Vlogger. Vlogger bestie ba? Vlogger bestie. 40 gram. Sugar's real. Oh, pak.
Here are
Okay,
the
so we were very competitive and we just won the game.
through this question. Anyone, how about you, mommy?
Palaban kami, mga mamas. Pagka-team mo talaga kami. Napagod-negative.
And that
Okay, now we're making bento
is
meal.
your bento box.
Bento meal.
Okay, with bento making, you don't have to be afraid to use your hands.
Okay. Make sure that they're clean.
Yeah, they're clean. That's why we provided wipes on our table. But if you prefer to wear gloves, the gloves in your kit.
We will attempt.
In bento making,
Make something
a lot
yummy.
of people in Japan,
This is my microwave.
parts of your bento.
Microwave ni Sane.
Microwave.
To handle the small parts, you can actually
I'm
use
sorry,
the
toaster pala.
things that are in your kit.
Kaya pala ganyan.
Yan, raffle na guys, raffle. Mananalo kami. I really want.
So your Baileys and
The
you
electric
could
fan.
split even if
Meron na yan.
That's a big rechargeable desk fan. You usually see just the small one,
I
right?
want. Okay, so our event is over.
Ano?
Sumabay yung... Ay! Sumabay yung burp Mars. The event is over and Helga is crazy driver. Charot. We are now, dapat magpapa-nails, dapat magpapagupit, dapat bibili ng lipstick. Ang nangyari ay papa-massage kami.
Saka shoes, I need shoes.
Mag-ball tayo mamaya.
Ikaw.
Mars na.
Kanta mo.
Ako lang mag-mall mag-isa?
Hindi, ikaw.
Sabi mo kaw. Okay, later magmamall kami. We have decided. Now lang. Pero massage mo.
Maabot.
Abot yan. And so, we are here. First time ni Helga. Dahil taong bahay po si Helga, alam niyo naman. And this is our matching. Korean ba to? And then we have our cha. Yeah, this is our treat for doing a good job sa event. Good job. Wala namang ginawa sa event.
Chumika, tsaka kumain lang tayo.
Gumawa ng bento, naglaro ng
Nanalo tayo
games,
sa ano.
may blender. Blender is life. So yeah. So we're gonna do our massage and we will see you later. Okay, and ngayon lang po ako nakakita ng nakahikaw pa rin
Ay!
mag-massage.
Sorry. At saka naka-red lipstick.
Pero pak na pak.
Red
Dangling earrings.
Sa mga magtatanong, ang aking lipstick ay NARS Star Woman. Ayan na ha.
Oo nga, ang dami nagtatanong ng lipstick ni ate. Sa mga nagtatanong po sa akin, ginagamit din ni Helga tong lipstick ko.
Ano ba yun? Seductress.
May Seductress na Maybelline. Ako po na una, pero siya po lagi tinatanong kung anong lipstick. Iba. Iba ang
Bibili na tayo ng
effectiveness.
bagong shade. Kasi meron na silang
Bagong set.
line.
Mamaya, we'll check that. In the meantime, massage. Okay, the massage is over. We are now relaxed, in zen mode, in chill mode.
Meron akong kwento namin.
Ano?
Mamaya na.
Bakit?
Ano ba?
Bakit?
May ikakwento ako guys. Sabi niya, kanina, ang ganda raw rito, ganyan, sarap daw ng massage kasi merong soup yung paa. May nilalagay daw na soup sa paa. Sabi ko, anong soup, Mar? Sabi niya, basta may soup. Isip ko, may special babad concussion, ganyan.
Binababad
soup.
lang po sa parang tsaa yung pa.
Yung pala, soup. Sound effects pala yun. Soup, ganon. Yung pang-sip-sip. Parang may sa
Soup wala! Yung hot water!
Diyos ko, lahat naman ng, may hot water.
Pero kalasa nung iniinom natin.
Totoo ba? Akala ko hot water lang.
Hindi, may something.
Akala ko, sinasabi niyang soup, yung parang ventosa, gano'n. Soup! Soup! Sabi ko, asan yung soup? Ano pa?
Alam mo na.
Bakit kasi soup? Hindi mo lang sinabing bababad yung pa.
Parang may excitement. Soup. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, may bathroom revelations. Si Helga.
Pag minamassage ako, nahiya ako magsabi pag masyadong hard yung pressure. Tapos tinanong ko, okay lang ba ma'am? Sabi ko, okay lang kahit ganito. Kasi pipigil ako ng tawa kanina kasi natatawa ko sa sarili ko.
Ano may pinipil?
Yung pinipigil naman lalo kaya mo, pigil mo. Mababali na yung likod mo, Mar.
Iba din. Tiis ganda. Okay, guys, we are now home. And that was our day today. Our mommy day, I guess. So again, thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, be kind.